Today we come up with a marvelous small-budget single-story house with beautiful exterior. The total area of this home is 1,500 square feet. This home is situated near Tirur, Kerala. It is a contemporary style home design. First, on the front area we see an open sit-out with enough spacing. At the left side of the sit-out a porch is provided, which is designed with 3 pillars. Box-style projection wall are designed at the right side. Windows and double panel door are made by wood, and an elegant pergola design are done on the sit-out wall. Now we moving to inside the home. Here we see the living cum hall and space for TV unit. Also a spacious dining space is available here. The wash basin provided near to the staircase. Railing of the stair made by glass with wooden frame. It gives the more elegant look to stair. Next we move to the stair leading to the open terrace. Now we can check the bedrooms. See the first bedroom arrangements. It is a spacious bedroom with attached bath. Moving to second bedroom. We see almost same design as previous one and bath attached. The hall leads to the kitchen, designed very neatly and get more storage space for here. The kitchen extended to the work area. On right side, let's see the storeroom. Color pattern of paint and exterior and interior designs gives more marvelous look to this single-story home. We hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to comment in the box your feedback and opinion about our videos.